Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Generative Coach. Today we are back with a new tool called Veed. Yes, you heard me right, Veed. But it's not that Veed. It helps you for a video editing if you want to create pro level videos without the hassle. Meet veed.io, the ultimate AI power editing tool that makes video creation effortless. Yes, it's really effortless video creation. From automatic subtitle to text-based editing, Veed streamlines your workflow, saving your time while delivering top-notch results. Whether you are a content creator, marketer, or a beginner, this tool is your shortcut to stunning videos. Stay tuned as we dive into its game-changing features and how can you leverage AI to edit like a pro just in a few clicks. So as usual, we are starting with a login. I'm logged in with my Google account. After login, the interface looks like this. On the left side of your screen, you will see the option of templates. Here you can see there are many templates. You can use any of them, and there is a brand kit and a team space for your work. Let's go to a home, and if you see here, there is an upgrade section. There you can see their plans from upgrade from light to entrepreneur. And also they gives you the invite link. You can invite your friends. With that you will get bound. So let us create. So first I'm using template because I don't have any video of mine, so I'm using this template. So let's pick. This is the interface. So here you can see this is a video. In the bottom side we have the timeline of your video. Here you can see the several layers like for subtitles, shapes, and this is a video layer of this person. And if you scroll down here you can see many layers, like this layer is for background PNG, and in the bottom side the last layer is for music. So let's see how we can edit all these things. This is very easy. I will teach you. So on the left side your screen you can see there are many options for some settings for brand kits, media, audio, subtitle, text and elements, and there are so many things, and there is a transition also. So let's start first. You can see that is the logo. For this we have a layers of the logo. If you scroll down you can see this is the logo layer. So if you want to change your logo, so it's simple. Just go to the three dot and just replace image. So I'm uploading the Generative Coach logo here, and we just did it. You can see you can also animate this logo from this option like this. Let's create some text animation. First you can see the text panel where there are various text animation available. I'm selecting one of them, but since the layer is positioned above the person, the text appear in front of him. First change the text, then place the layer behind him. To change the text, go to the edit panel and enter your desired text. I'm writing Generative Coach, which is the text animation I want to use. Next, I want to remove the headline layer. So I simply click on it and delete it. Now we need to position the text layer behind the person. I will drag this layer behind him. This process is straightforward. Let's also adjust the scale of the text to fit properly. Now you can see that adjustment is done, and it was very simple. Let's add some element. If you take a look, there are various element options available. By clicking on them, you can choose any element you want. For this example, I will select one and place it here by default. You can adjust its position if needed. I will position it just below the logo. Now let's check if this element is animated. Here is the layer of a selected element. Let's play the animation. Yes, it's already animated and it's look quite good. As you can see, the logo is hidden. To fix this, you simply need to adjust the layer like this. And now the logo is visible again. You can also change the subtitle here. You can see the current subtitle for the video. Simply click on them and write what you want. You will notice that the text changes below. Now, let's play this video to see if the subtitles has updated. Yes, they are updated, and you can change according to it. It's quite simple. As you can see, you can also edit your video in this way. If you want to change the audio, just go to the audio section and add the audio, or just click on the audio. This is for the today video. I'm resting my video here. You can also add it in the same way, and you can grow your creativity with the help of this tool. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel Generative Coach. Also, do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The link in description. Thank you.